Hey everyone, I just got this 6-drawer dresser that is going to be perfect for a kid's room. I am going to put it together, check it out, and show you how it works. All right, so here are the pieces that were inside the box. It does include everything you need to put this dresser together, screwdriver, everything. All the pieces are really well labeled. It comes with an instruction manual. Everything's right there. So I just finished assembling this 6-drawer dresser and it was very easy to do. I did it even while watching my son and I was able to complete the whole dresser in about 15 minutes. It came with all the tools that were needed. It does have metal sides and those pieces were really easy to screw together. It has this wood front for the white part of the drawers, and it has wooden knobs, which I really like. And then each of the animal cutouts is like 3-dimensional, so it looks really cool, and they're made of this kind of light fabric material. So it's really nice, all the different textures that this dresser has, and it has this really clean, beautiful look that's going to look great in a playroom. It's perfect for a baby's room. It's a great size for a dresser, for kids' toys, for kids' clothes. You could use this pretty much for anything. So I really loved how easy it was to put together. Everything was included. The drawers slide out nice and easy. They are really big and deep and clean, so you can put a lot of stuff inside of these drawers. And you can actually switch up the drawers. So if you want to switch the pattern of where the animals are, you can do that pretty simply as well. Just pull the drawer out and move them around. I do like how the metal bars on the sides and the metal bars on the back of this dresser help keep the drawers in place. So see that metal bar across the back, and also at the very bottom it has some little metal handles as well that'll help prevent the drawers from falling out or slipping out the back. So just little details like that really make this dresser even better. I really like the design again. I think that it was simple to put together. I think it's going to look great in a lot of places and a lot of rooms, and it'll definitely get a lot of use. So I hope you guys found this helpful, and give this dresser a try.